So you think you're gonna teach me something about making a latke?
I hope so.
Okay, I'm excited. Hey, Tastemade, I'm Caroline Aaron, Shirley Maisel, AKA the real Mrs. Maisel.
And I'm Nicholas Martinez, the chef at Intersect by Latkes, and today we're gonna be making latkes 3 ways. Today we're using sweet potato, a little twist on the traditional Eastern European dish. Grating an onion. So this little trick, we want the latke to be crispy.
Yes, we do.
So onions have a lot of water inside, naturally.
Yeah. Yes.
So we're gonna squeeze all the water out of it.
Wow, and that's a lot.
It's a lot.
You know how everybody says they won't eat onions right before they kiss somebody?
Uh-huh.
I love the smell of onions. I'll eat an onion anytime. I'm just telling you that.
I agree. And so next what we're gonna do is just mix everything together.
You can't even see the onions anymore. Okay.
Yeah,
now what's gonna happen?
Just crack the egg inside.
Okay. All righty.
We're gonna add our salt in here. Next is our flour. You just wanna kind of fold this gently.
You want to keep it a little loose, right?
Exactly.
That's great.
Next, we're gonna form the sweet potatoes. And
Copy.
if you've ever made a meatball, you just wanna press lightly and toss it back and forth.
Oh,
Think
you
about
got a
that
little
side.
burger.
Exactly. That looks great. So the next step, we're gonna shallow fry the latkes, medium-high heat.
Don't they look lovely?
They look beautiful.
Okay.
All right, so now we have these beautiful latkes.
Okay.
So the first topping we have is homemade applesauce. We peel and chop the apples and cook it down with bourbon and vanilla and
Ooh.
a touch of lemon juice in there. So there's a little bit of sweetness, but not too sweet. Our second latke we're gonna make is cured Arctic char, so gravlax, salt, sugar, lots of dill, and we cure that overnight. So the salt and sugar basically cooks the salmon all the way through. And on top is gonna be a little bit of dill creme fraiche with a little bit of lemon juice. And then we're gonna top it off with a little salmon caviar, little salmon roe. Last but not least, this has...
What does it say? Don't touch Chef Nick. You're making an exception for me, aren't you?
Exactly.
Okay, I'm so happy. Okay.
So it's miso, which is like a fermented Japanese soybean.
Okay.
Cheddar. From
Cheese.
Vermont. Cheese.
Cheese, okay.
A little bit of soy sauce, and then to garnish it with a little bit of scallion. All
Okay.
right. So let's start making some latkes.
Okay, and let's see. Oh, yes, okay. Oh my gosh, I really want to bring these home to Moisha and see what he has to say. He's very traditional. This is my final latke rendering.
Final latke rent. It looks beautiful.
Do you like it? Do you like an interpretation?
Yes.
Think of yourself as an art gallery. Okay, I think of this as a cameo. You know, because I live in the 50s when I live as Shirley, and this sort of has a cameo feeling to it. This is an ancient rabbi because Hanukkah's full of wisdom. This is his beard and this is his hair.
It looks amazing.
Right?
It's very creative.
To take us through the holiday. Okay, now is it the moment I've been waiting for? The tasting
Pretty
moment.
close.
Let's switch.
I think so.
Yes, let's taste each other's. All right, I'm gonna start with this one.
All right.
Because those scallions are so beautiful. Ah. Oh, boy. Oh, my God. Can I
What do you
propose
think?
to you? I'm married, but I'll kick him out tomorrow. This is, Oh, my God, these are so
Am I allowed to try the rabbi?
Have you tried the rabbi?
I'm gonna eat his beard.
You're gonna be so wise at the end of this. At the end of this bite. Thank you so much for teaching me, Nick.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure.
Make sure to watch the season 3 of The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, now streaming on Amazon Prime Video.
You're opening for Shy Baldwin. You were so big time.
What have you guys been up to?
Midge blew a guy's hard 6.
What?
No, I blew on a guy and he got a hard 6 and he gave me money. That didn't sound good either.